Teacher, about
No,
the
no,
book,
teacher, no. It's clear.
the same book,
Sorry?
the book we use it. It's the usual book we.
Yes,
the other
yes,
use it.
yes. It is the same book as the last semester. This semester, inshallah, the same book. So you can take it from the Shams copy shop, or you can take it from some brother from the last semester. My suggestion: take some brother from the last semester. So he already have noted a lot of things, and it will be very useful for you. Yes, brother. Any other question, brother?
Thank you, teacher.
Everybody is listening me, right?
Yes, yes, teacher. No, it was clear.
Thank you very much. Thank you. So, any questions, Shabab, up to here? So we discussed what we discussed. We discussed the plant. Plant is there, and in the plant has the raw material as the input, and output is the desired product. And to get the desired product, we need to know about 5 factors, and those are listed and explained. Right? Let's move a little further. What is a control system? Yashiba, what is the control system? See here, it is written here, the definition of the control system is there. This I just highlighted. To fulfill all the requirements given above, dictate the need for continuous monitoring. A control system is needed. Right, Shabab? Continuous monitoring and control of the operation of the plant. It is accomplished through a systematic arrangement of equipments such as measuring devices, like you guys already have done, instrumentation measurement 1, temperature sensor, pressure sensor, flow sensor, level sensor, control valves, controllers, etc., and the human intervention, which together constitute the control system. So what is the control system, Shabab? There is a sensor. After the sensor, there is a transmitter. Then the transmitter sends the signal to the controller. Then the controller sends the signal to the valve, some controlling valve. And this whole thing constitutes, it makes the control system. Inshallah, we're going to discuss it in very detail as we go further. But for the time being, you can say this is our control system. So the control system is like the summation, the thing of that can have some valves in it. It has like measuring devices like sensors, then the transmitters, then the controllers, and controller give the signal to the valves. That complete thing is known as control system. This control system, why we have it? We wanna maintain the set point. What is set point? Now, for example, in our class or at our home, we keep the temperature like 25 degrees centigrade. So what is our set point, Shabab? 25 degrees centigrade. So we give this 25 degrees centigrade to the controller, and controller is getting the signal from the sensor. What is the current temperature in the room? The current temperature in the room, we say process variable, PV, right, Shabab? And then what we do, the controller will receive the PV. We already have given it some instructions, and it will send the output signal to the valve, and it will open the valve or close the valve to bring the temperature equal 25 degrees centigrade. This is our temperature control we are doing in our classroom, in our labs, at our home, everywhere, right? So this is a very simple control system. Can somebody give another example of the control system, Shabab?
Level of water, teacher.
Water level, yes, very good example. So we control the level of the tank, rooftop tank, we automatically, it has a sensor that sends the signal to the controller, and then the controller give the output to the wall, either open it or close it. Any other brother wanna give the example? What is your name, brother? Who give the example? What is your name? Yes, brother. Who gave this example? Level tank. Can you please tell me your name?
Tank in the,
Can you please tell me your name, brother? Who gave this example? Yes, brother. Can you please give me your name or ID? Who gave this example? Okay, you can give me later. Let me explain one thing, brother. We have like 4 type of bonus marks here in this course, inshallah. Complete attendance, complete. Hello? Complete notes, and if I ask some question, whoever is submitting it or telling me, he will get the bonus marks, and complete homework. Inshallah, we have some homeworks. So whoever is submitting the homework, he will also get the bonus marks. Any other brother can give some example for the control, Shabab?
Speed
Air condition.
Sorry?
speed system, speed limit system for cars.
Yeah, can you please tell me your ID, brother?
391 901
901
804.
804. Okay. So this brother is saying speed control. This is also a good example. So in the car, yes, brother.
Level control in the tank.
Level control. Yeah, the brother already told this one. How many of? Sorry?
I said this.
So what is your ID? Give me your last three digits of your ID.
574. Ibrahim Abdullah.
574. Okay, Ibrahim. Okay. How many of you guys know how to drive the manual car, Shabab? How many people knows the manual car?
Yes,
Me?
Is there any difference between the manual car and the automatic car, Shabab?
yes, totally different.
So how much the manual car, if we say manual car, to drive the manual car is 100%, how much is the automatic car?
Yeah, like 40 and 50, 40.
So you can imagine how much industrial control and control is bringing our life comfortable, right, Shabab?
Yeah. Yes.
So this is like very common example. At our home, we are, controlling the temperature, we are controlling the humidity in our daily life, and in our professional life, we are controlling a lot of variables like that. Now there are some definitions. Any brother has any question up to here, Shabab? Any brother has any question up to here, Shabab?
Teacher,
Yes, brother.
can I say control fire panel?
Fire panel, if it is depend, some fire panel they are just on off, some are just control. So, but it is not like, give some common example, like for example, you can say temperature control, humidity control,
Yeah,
lot of control like this.
if the temperature is high in the room, then the fire alarm give us alarm.
Yes, this is, if it is like this, yes, then it is control. Yes, it is, then it is control if it is like this.
Oh, okay.
This is good example. Yeah, this is good example. Any other brother has any questions, Shabab? Okay, let's move to the definitions. Now we have some definitions, Shabab, right? That's we need to define, So the first definition is set point, right, Shabab? What is the set point? The desired value, the value we want. Now, for example, for the temperature control in the room, we want 25 degrees centigrade, right? So this is our set point. This is our set point. So we give, as a set point, we give 25 degrees centigrade, and we want this value. That's what we say desired value or set value, right? That's what we want. Set point is which value, Shabab? Our desired value, that's the value we want. That's what we say set point. What is the current value of temperature in the room? What is its name? The current value of temperature in the room. That's what we say process variable, PV. Right, Shabab? That's what we say the current value, the present value of the temperature in the room. That's what PV. And the value we want, desired value, that's what SP. Right, Shabab? So now we can define the process control once again. Yes.
Can you repeat what you said?
Yes, I can. What is set point? This is one question, and the other question, what is process variable? The temperature, for example, we are controlling the temperature in the room. So whatever temperature is currently in the room, presently, that's what we say process variable. And whatever temperature we want, for example, we want 25 degrees centigrade, so it is set point. So the temperature we want, the desired temperature, that is set point. And the temperature already in the room, current temperature, that's what we say process variable. Right, Shabab?
Okay, that's clear.
Okay,
Thank
that's good. You are welcome. Let's define the process control once again. We already defined the process control, but we can define it once again. We can define the process control once again because now we know the set point, now we know the process variable. So the mechanism that maintains the plant at the desired operating condition is called process control. What is desired operating condition? Set point. For example, control of the temperature in our home, in our room, in our class or lab, that is a process control that keep the temperature at 25 degrees centigrade. That is
Can I take cruise control?
Sorry?
Cruise control.
Yes, yes, yes. If it is like fully automatic, you can say it is, yes. So the mechanism that maintains the plant can be a room, can be car, can be lab, can be classroom, any